Wait, people are wearing clothes like DHS in 2026? These fashion tricks can completely transform your style in seconds. You won't believe the last one.
Don't have a fancy outfit for your friend's party? No worries, I've got you covered with these easy hacks. 1. Your tank top too basic? Slip one strap off and wrap it around. Instantly boost that sexy vibe. Then loop both straps through. At your girls' night, you'll be the hottest one there. 2. Big gaps between buttons can lead to awkward slips. Just button them out of place. No more stress about showing too much. 3. Upgrade your straps with some chain details. Pair it with high-waisted wide-leg pants. You'll definitely be the chicest one in the room. 4. Cross your shirt sleeves like this and tie them at the back. Use a safety pin to gather the front. Milan Fashion Week would totally invite you to walk. 5. Wear your regular cardigan with one side backwards. Take the sleeve and one corner of the shirt. Wrap and tie them together. Pull the hem out and tuck it into your pants. Sexy and sharp vibes will turn heads for sure. 6. Plain button-up too boring? Put it on backward. Button it up and roll the sleeves. Add a bag and some sunglasses, and boom, you're ready to slay like an Oscar queen. 7. A long miniskirt not flattering enough? Pull it up higher on your waist. Add a shiny gold chain belt, and voila, your skirt just became a dress. 8. Heading out but need a quick upgrade from a plain hoodie? Add a string to the front. Instant transformation. Now it's a trendy off-the-shoulder look.